Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope that you are doing well. Let's do exercise 5 on page 9. As you can see, this exercise is table completion. Table completion is an IELTS reading task. It tests students' ability to scan for information using words already in the table to help locate answers. Now let me tell you some tips. It is important to look at the test to see what parts of the passage you need to read again in order to answer the questions. You don't always need to read the whole passage again. You should use names of the cities which you scanned for in exercise 3 to help you find the answers in the passage. And in the live exam, words will not be in italics. It has been done here to help you. Okay, exercise 5. Match the words and phrases in italics in this table with the words and phrases in italics in the passage. The words in italics are inhabitants, lifestyle, don't have so much, reputation for, have little, and don't pay attention to. Now let's check the answers. Inhabitants, populations. Lifestyle, way of life. Don't have so much, have less. Reputation for, known for. Have little, be short of. Don't pay attention to, ignore. Now exercise 6. Complete the table. Choose one word from the passage for each answer. But first, let's take a look at the exam advice. Table completion. Quickly look for words and phrases in the passage which mean the same as words and phrases in the table. For example, not many, few. Well-known, famous. Then read around those words carefully. Copy the words from the passage into the table exactly as you see them. Alright, now let me ask you a couple of questions to check your understanding. Should you write your own answers or should you copy a word from the passage for each answer? Well, the answer is copy a word from the passage. The next question, how many words can you write for each answer? 1. And what happens if you write 2 words? Well, the answer is wrong. Now you have a couple of minutes to find the answers. Okay, let's check the answers. Number 1, relaxed. Number 2, money. Number 3, crime. Number 4, time. Number 5, strangers. Okay, guys, now pay attention to these words. Money, strangers. Are they spelled correctly? The answer is no. The answers are only correct if you copy them exactly from the passage. Now let's go to exercise 7. Before answering these questions, to give you a chance to express your own views on ideas in the passage, let me ask you some questions. What methods did the psychologists use to find out how friendly people were? Pause the video and try to find the answer. Okay, the answer is dropping a pen and pretending to be blind. The next question. What would people in your city do in these situations? And what would you do? You may answer these questions in the comment section below. Now let's get back to exercise 7. Work in small groups. Question 1. Are you surprised that people in cities with less money are friendlier? Why? Or why not? What is the friendliest place you have ever visited? Number 3. How friendly are people in your town or city to visitors? Give examples. I'm looking forward to your answers in the comment section. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Take care.